Alright, today we are going to take a look at this super cool foldable e-bike that we just got. I really want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so I can unbox it, install it, give it a test. We are going to use this thing in our RV. We're going to use it around the neighborhood. We're going to just see what it looks like. It's a kind of a heavy box, so hopefully that means it's nice and sturdy. Let me see if I can get it out of here in one piece. Alright, today I want to show you the features of this WINDHORSE bike. It's super cool. There's a nice seat on the back of it so you can have a friend go with you, or you could put a nice big basket out here and tie it down. There's lots of hooks that's nice and strong so somebody can sit on that or take cargo with you. But it's pretty convenient to put away. Once again, it's not overly heavy, but it's quite a sturdy bike. The seat is adjustable. It goes up and down for when you're riding it or when you want to fold it up, put it away. Handlebars are adjustable. They go up and down for when you're riding it or you want to fold it up, put it in your car. There's a clip here with a safety on it. Pull that down like that, and then you undo the safety to get the handlebars down. And then there's a clip here with a safety on it to fold the bike. So I've got the handlebars down like that. I need to get the pedals out of the way, and then I just grab a hold of it, fold it up like that, and now I can grab the bike and put it in my car. So let's turn around and I'll show you how it fits right in the front seat of my Jeep. Alright, so here we go. We've got my folded up bike, and I'm gonna see how small, compact the bike is to fit right there in the front seat of the Jeep. So now we can just take it with us. Now I'll show you the process to put this bike back together, go for a ride. You just clip that like that, lock that in, you just lift the handlebars up, safety locks on. I can lift the handlebars up a tiny bit, which is awesome. I can raise the seat a little bit, and I'm just ready to go. So now to ride it, I can turn the key on here, and I've got a light, or I turn it back there, and in order to ride it, I can just whiz around on it with just the throttle, or I don't use the throttle at all, and I can just kind of pedal around on the bike itself. Like I said, it's strong enough to have a partner go with you, and have somebody kind of sit on the back of it like that. Strong enough to pull a wheelie. It's got a light on the back. When I turn the key to the next position, so there's a light there. There's some safety reflectors on it, right up here as well. But so far, I'm pretty impressed with it. It's a fun little bike, and it's got a long range on it, so we're really going to use it and enjoy it.